Well, you don't know when we talk about entertainment. Hear me now again. Entertainment, I mean talk about Slimdoggz Entertainment. I mean talk about Empire Records. But all that come under one umbrella. I mean talk about umbrella. I mean talk about Chitungwiza. Cheat on me backbone. You what I don't know say it's the king of fire. Me say charge it. 2013 is a blessed year. You don't know me just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year as we enter 2014. You don't know. You mean them Dhadza D? In case you never know in day that we run this. Your Christmas, it only comes once a year. But still for your man alone, me say me born there. The older them, me see them interfere. But job bless them, me say me here. Again, Christmas come only once a year. Everybody enjoy and this time this year, make sure you eat more rice and chicken. Cause everything bless here. If you're vegetarian, you eat more veggies. Bless you.
Chibo, you need to eat one. Chibo, imba one eat.
Well, die, Chitungwiza, die, see what I say come, die, Mafuku, die, Goma, get to you, don't get a goodie. I'm the king of fire, me talk. And when me talk, you better listen. And when you listen, you meditate. After you meditate, you go penetrate. When you penetrate, you generate. And you generate, you maintain. 2013, we are out it in style, it don't know. Rastafari.